Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Firefox browser on INFINIX Note 30 Pro. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store and now click on search bar and type in Firefox and click search and now click install. Now you can click open. And here you can make this browser your default browser, or you can click not now. Here you can try out Firefox search widget, or you can click not now. And now you can enable notifications from this browser, or you can click not now. And your Firefox browser is now all set up. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.